Hello there, welcome to Announcement Bar Pro. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the features and the menus that this app has, starting from the overview. As you can see, the overview is very simple and understandable, clear. You have a live preview of what the app looks like. You have the top or the bottom bar that you can select where you want it to be. A little bit of template features if you want this to change, and a quick enable or disable for the announcement bar. Next is the messages menu. In here you can select all the messages that you would like. You can change them. Let's say you want to change this and add 1, 2, 3. You can save. We can change the timer if you want to have it at, let's say, 2 days and 1 hour. You can delete or assign a new message. The most important thing about this tab is basically the assign to. In here you select which user you want to assign based on the targeting. In the targeting you have 7 different options that you can select from, starting from all user, VIP customers, cart abandoners, new visitors, returning customers, geographic rules, and device type. Each of those has its own configurations. So for example, if we click on cart abandoners configuration, you can select here the minimum cart value that a customer needs to have, and then when would you like the bar to show, after how many minutes. So if we put here 10 minutes, then the bar is not going to show for the customer until the 10 minutes has gone since he added the cart. Then for example, the VIP customer is a specific message that you want to show to customer who spent a minimum of whatever money you want to put here, and then the minimum order count. So let's say it's a customer that had 5 orders on your store, maybe some subscribed customer, and they spent over $500. Maybe you want to show them a special happy promo just for them. Going back to the messages, you can also rearrange the order. Let's say you want to put it here. You can select which assignments you want. You can enable or disable timer. And now the most important thing is if you can create as many messages as you want per targeting. So if you see here there's 3 new visitors, so that means that those 3 messages are going to show to those 3 visitors in an intervals of 5 seconds, which can also change here. The last thing is, if you want to just show one message to everyone and this is just too complicated, you can easily select all users. And once all users selected, then whatever message you have here is going to show to absolutely everyone. Doesn't matter who they are, where they're from, the card that they have, it's going to show the same message to everyone. Next is our style buttons. Basically, in here you have a template already made for colors. You can change the text if you like, the sizes, the family font. You can add animations, you can do your own colors. You can also select additional settings. Let's say you want it to be dismissible, only show on mobile. If you want it to be sticky bar, not sticky bar. Basically a bunch of different styling options. A/B testing is as it sounds, it's an A/B test. So we can create one test. You select the message that you'd like to test with. Let's say hi, new user. Well, actually, we selected it already. So this one, the test, variant message, hello, whatever. You can put a URL here if you want, just for the click on the link if you have any collection or whatever. Let's say we want to show it for 1 hour, so we need to input seconds here. This is the text, the split, but 50-50 is recommended. And then I'll just select 10,000 impressions, create, and then it created the A/B test. We should start the test, and then it's going. We can also select the winner, and then once we select the winner, it's going to ask us if we want to apply the new text, and then it's going to automatically change. This tab is the Analytics tab. It has all the information that you gathered throughout your testing and just the clicks. You can select 30 days, 90 days, desktop, all devices, mobile, This is the click rate trend. This is the date, basically, and this is how many impressions you're having here. The revenue from your clicks, and here you can see how much each of the message did. You can also export if you'd like to export the data. Very simple and not too complicated. Next is scheduling. In the scheduling is where you can schedule your bar to show at certain times. So let's say you only want to show it in the weekends. So you already have some presets made here. You select which message, which bar you want to show. You can select the time. You can select the time zone. If you want to be more specific on the hour, you can select the hour. These are just 3 pre-made messages. So let's say flash sale, whatever you want to choose. It's already made for flash sale. And yeah, these are the messaging, the scheduling. This is our cart integration page. And here you have a few integrations such as free shipping, for example. This one is allowing customers to add some amount to reach free shipping. So if your free shipping is $50, then it's gonna and then they have a cart with $10. It's gonna show them, hey, add $40 more for shipping. You can also add, of course, more stuff if you want. Very dynamic. We have a sticky add to cart. So once they scroll down throughout the page, the announcement bar will turn into a sticky add to cart. So the product name, the price, and then add to cart. You can also display, well, whatever you want to display here, quantity, variants, and so on. You can add discount codes here as well. You can really play around a lot with this. Here's a discount code only announcement card. This one is low stock alert, and so on. All right, this is the AI message generator. This one is pretty fun. It generates AI messages for you based on the season or the holiday or the specific event. You can go here to the calendar and see what is coming. So Halloween is coming in 23 days. There's Veterans Day. Sorry, there's Thanksgiving, Cyber Monday, Black Friday, winter, Christmas, all those holidays coming. Click here, let's say friendly casual tone. Right now it's fall because there's nothing currently going on, so it's just the season. So whenever that happens, the season is a default. If you click generate, it's gonna, as you can see, it came up with some fall AI lines, like falls over, calls you up with 30% off, things like that. Then custom is if you want to create your own thing. So you put your own customizable text and prompt, and then it's going to give it to you. And then trending events is basically whatever is going on in the world right now. You can refresh it every 6 hours. But I don't know, let's say PlayStation fall gaming event. Maybe there's some event going on, or this has been talking about the last day or a few weeks. So that's what's here. And then if you click on generate, then here it is. It's gonna come up with some messages for it. Pretty cool.